Come blue. Let me blue.
Nagdiwang ng kaarawan si Matteo Guidicelli ngayong araw ng kanyang ika-36, kasama ang kanyang minamahal na si Sara Geronimo at ang pamilya ni Matteo, pati ang kanilang mga staff sa kanilang negosyo. Makikita ang celebration na nagkaroon pa ito ng special mass kung saan, ay exclusive lang ito sa kanilang pamilya.
Magkumpisal na tayo. Senador, your man, whatever pain or happiness you feel, we also feel because we love you. Wow! Sino nagsulat dyan? Walang signature. Kayo lahat yan.
Oh no.
Ganda naman ito. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Mag-cake na ba?
Hindi, kaya tayo.
Mamaya.
Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Come blue. Let me blue. Alright, ready, set, go.
Baby, pull there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, come on, you.
Your turn, your turn.
Pull it hard. Harder.
Your turn. Another. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
I'll show you.
Ah!